Hello guys, today I want to read about a book that names Snack. So, let's get started.
Terus dikonsep dulu mah.
Snack.
Kayak dia baca narasi itu, jadi dikonsep dulu. Nggak berantakan.
Shark swims up and says hello. You guys want to play? But all the fish are terrified and they all swim away. Shark thinks, I know what I'll do. I'll flash my gorgeous smile. But when they see those pearly whites, they swim another mile. Then Shark takes a great big jump. The fish all close their eyes. But wait, it's only seaweed. They soon all realize. You don't eat fish, turtles say. You don't eat fish, turtles say. From the ocean floor, she says, I'm not like other sharks. I am an herbivore. Then the friends all swim and play the dolphin loves. And this, we are glad you are our friend. Turtle and Shark give high five. Snack. For them all. Munch. Crunch. Oh, this one we have this one already. Chomp. Bye bye. See you next time. Nom nom.